This appliance is the most amazing invention for the home since the microwave. It's a home freeze dryer. The freeze-dry process has been around for a long time, nearly 70 years. It was invented by the U.S. military toward the end of World War II as a way to preserve serums and other medications so they could safely be transported to our troops in Europe. Later, the U.S. began using freeze-drying for military meals and for NASA's space program because it preserved all of the flavor, color, and nutrition of the food without the need for refrigeration. And because without all the water in it, it weighs almost nothing. Today, many of our pharmaceuticals we consume are freeze-dried to preserve their potency and extend their shelf life. Freeze-drying also solves the age-old problem of spoiled food. When you use this unit to freeze-dry your own food and you package it properly, the food can last up to 25 years. Even through those many years, your fruits, vegetables, meats, even full meals retain their original taste, nutritional value, their color, and shape. It's hard to tell that any of this food has been freeze-dried. It doesn't shrink or discolor, and it doesn't taste any different than it did the day it was harvested. It's truly amazing. Just looking at it, it's difficult to tell whether or not food is fresh or freeze-dried. Strawberries, avocados, asparagus, apples, raspberries, ice cream sandwiches. It all looks amazing and it tastes just as good.